Hi guys, it's Wynette and welcome back to my channel. Today's look will feature a carbon black smoky eye with a nude lip. Enjoy! Please remember to like, comment, subscribe and follow if you really appreciate these videos. As you can see, I am now priming my face with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Refiner Primer. My brows have been done off camera and I will be using the Inglot liner as a base for my eyeshadow. This base will help to deepen the black shadow that will be placed on my lid. I am placing the liner all over my lid and will blend out the edges with a small, dense blending brush. I will then use the shade Zulu from my Masquerade palette as a transition shade. Using a fluffy blending brush, I am blending Zulu into my crease and the edges of the cream liner. I am now using a black eyeshadow all over my lid on top of the cream liner that I placed on my lid earlier. Using a small blending brush, I am now blending out the black eyeshadow into the reddish brown shade called Zulu. I am blending to ensure there are no harsh lines while switching between the black and the brown eyeshadows. Now if this thing would only focus on me. Next I will be applying my foundation using a flat-topped foundation brush. I am using patting motions in order to apply the foundation onto my face. As you can see, I am now going over all areas of my face to ensure a smooth blend. Next, I will be contouring my face using the Black Opal foundation stick. I am blending out my contour using a contour brush. I am also using a smaller blending brush for the smaller areas of my face. I will now be highlighting my nose, under eyes, forehead, cupid's bow and chin using a sponge to blend out the concealer. I am now setting my concealer using a tapered face brush. This brush is perfect for getting powder into hard to reach corners of my eyes. Using a powder brush, I am applying a setting powder all over my face. I am using packing motions as opposed to swiping to avoid disturbing fine hairs or the foundation. Next, I am blending Zulu into my lower lash line and will be using the black Kohl Kajal pencil to line my waterline. I will then smudge the black shadow near to my waterline to help set the pencil liner. Using a fluffier brush, I am now blending the black shadow into the brown. I am now applying an inner corner highlight using a silvery grey shadow. I somehow lost the footage of me applying mascara. For blush, I am using the shade Morocco from the Nubian 2 palette. Next, I am applying a setting spray and lining my lips with a brown lip liner. I will be using 2 neutral glosses to complete the look, and I am adding highlight for the final touch. Thanks for watching. This is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed.